Hi, I'm going to show you how you can add AI Assistant Chatbot to your Shopify store. First, let me show you the product so we know what we're talking about. You can see it here in the bottom right corner. We also have the same assistant on our own website, so you can try it yourself and get answers to any questions. For example, let's ask, do you integrate with Shopify? It gives an answer right away. And then you can follow up with more questions. Well, like, can you help me choose the right plan? It will introduce the different plans. You can ask anything, really. Another great feature is that it works in any language. So if a customer switches to Spanish or any other language, the assistant will automatically respond in that language. Now let me show you how you can add it to your own Shopify store. First, go to your Shopify admin area. Then click on the search bar and search for Asintai. Click on Search Asintai in Shopify App Store. Then click on the Asintai app. Click on the Install button. Now we confirm. You should see the Asintai app. If not, then find the app in the left sidebar and click on it. Afterwards, you need to sign in or make a new free account. Once you are signed in, you will see this page. Now we will enable the chatbot on the front store. Click on Open Theme Editor button. It will take you to a page where you can enable the chatbot. Without this, no one would see the chatbot. Find Asintai in the list and enable it. Afterwards, click Save. If done correctly, you should see the chatbot already appearing there. Now let's go back to the app page where we will set up the chatbot. Once you're inside, you'll see a space where you can add the knowledge and instructions for your AI assistant. We provide a default template, but you can edit or delete it and create your own. Everything you put here is what the AI knows, including the instructions on how it should reply. If something isn't here, the AI won't know it. So the more detail you add, the better it will respond. You can paste in your entire knowledge base or just type in what you need. After you save your instructions, you can immediately test the assistant in the preview window. Ask it something like, "What do you offer?" and see how it replies. If you don't like the answer, you can go back, add more context, or adjust the instructions and test again. You can keep refining until you're satisfied with how it responds. Now let's go to the front store to check if it is there. If the installation was correct, it should appear here at the bottom right corner. Let's ask a question to test it. Great, it works. Let's go back to the admin. You can also customize it, change the colors, adjust the position on the page, set the initial greeting message, enable or disable auto trigger, and even hide the branding if you want. In your dashboard, you'll also be able to review all the conversations the AI has had with your visitors. You can see what people asked and how the AI responded, which helps you improve your setup and also gives you valuable customer insights. That's everything I wanted to show you. And remember, if you ever get stuck during setup, just ask our AI assistant for help on asintai.com. That's all from me, and I look forward to seeing you on Asintai.